In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add or remove instruments from your watch list so you can keep your watch lists organized and up to date. Start by opening the app and navigating to the watch list you want to edit. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a pen tool icon. Tap on it to enter edit mode. To remove an instrument, simply tap the X icon next to each instrument you want to delete from your watch list. This instantly removes it from your list, keeping your watch list clean and focused only on the instruments you're actively tracking. That if you want to add a new instrument, use the search bar to find the asset you're interested in. Once it appears, tap the plus icon on the right side to add it to your desired watch list. And just like that, your new instrument is added to your watch list. You can repeat this process anytime to update your watch lists, remove outdated instruments, or add new ones as your portfolio and interests change. Managing your watch list this way makes it much easier to track the performance of your favorite instruments and stay organized, especially if you follow multiple assets or markets.